Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X3 air filter. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's efficiency and longevity. We'll start by identifying the air filter's location under the hood. Then, I'll guide you through the necessary tools and the step-by-step process for a smooth replacement. It's a straightforward job that anyone can do with a little guidance. Before we begin, let's ensure you have all the right tools. First, grab your new air filter, making sure it's the correct one for your BMW X3. You'll also need a Torx T25 screwdriver to unfasten the airbox screws. A clean rag will be handy for a quick wipe down. Having everything prepared makes the process much quicker and more efficient, so gather your supplies now. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And speaking of keeping things clean, just like your engine needs a fresh air filter, your home deserves a spotless floor. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now let's get to the actual replacement. Begin by unscrewing the air filter housing cover. There are usually several Torx T25 screws holding it in place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover and remove the old, dirty filter. Take a moment to clean any debris inside the housing. Then, carefully place your new filter into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Finally, reattach the cover and tighten all the screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.